have a look at VLOOKUP in 90 seconds. Okay, so this is designed for a recap, for revision. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. So we're going to use equals VLOOKUP to look up this code in here and to bring the results. So we're going to start off with equals VLOOKUP. Okay, and we're going to select the item code n, which is what we're going to be cross-referencing. Okay, add a comma. Now we need the table array. We're going to highlight the table array, comma, column index number. Now we need the type, which is column index number 2, as you can see in green here. Type, and then we're looking for an exact match, which is false. Okay, and what we can do is we can autofill, but you'll see that won't actually work. What we need to do is to lock in. As you can see, the range is moving down, so we need to use the absolute cell reference by highlighting the range. We're holding the F4 button, which will use the absolute cell reference. Then we can autofill and you'll see it works. For the cost, we're going to take this from another worksheet, equals VLOOKUP, but this time we're looking for the item code. We're looking for the cost. So let's go for our data tab. We highlight the range. You can see we're still entering it up here. Comma, column index number 3. Exact match, we're going for false. Enter. Again, we need to, for an absolute cell reference, F4. Enter. Autofill. And that is done. That is 90 seconds on VLOOKUP. Thank you.